Hey folks, this is Raul here at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership in Mesa, Arizona, and today I want to show you an awesome Class A motorhome. It is the 2023 Jayco Alante 27A. Here we are in the interior of the motorhome. I want to show you first the front. The unit is equipped with automatic leveling and cameras to the side, so you don't have any blind spots when you're trying to turn. The seats spin around and a table can be installed right here. Moving along, you guys can see what a fantastic floor plan this is, with the couch facing the dinette. Also, you have a television TV that comes out, smart TV, windows on all sides around. The dinette can turn into a bed, and you have locks for child seats. Also, the kitchen here allows you to prepare food while being part of the conversation. Unit is also equipped with a 12-volt fridge. One of the things that makes the Alante so special is the fact that it has a king-size bed with full walk-around space. Another very nice thing about it is how much storage it has. Big storage here, and even more storage here. This is the table that goes in between the two front seats. Next thing I want to show you is the bathroom. Porcelain toilet, window in the bathroom, and a very sizable shower. So this is a very nice layout, very popular, but what sells Jaycos more than anything is how they drive, how they feel on the road. Give us a chance to test drive you in this. Stop by and see it in person. Again, this is Raul at Worldwide RV, the Jayco dealership here in Mesa. Bye.